mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video, guys, we'll be working on a Dodge Journey, which is the same as Fiat Freemont, guys, and we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove, or how to replace glove box. If you need to remove your glove box compartment to work on something, okay, stay with us. We'll show you how to remove and replace it. Okay, this is the glove box right here. We'll explain what needs to be done. Stay with us, guys. In the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, and we'll be taking the whole thing apart. We'll have codes and all that stuff, so please, guys, subscribe to the channel. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. So let's start on the glove box now. So what needs to be done? Open your glove box. Okay, now check out here. You have two things. Okay, one here, one over there. You need to push those things in. Okay, let me show you. Push them in like that and pull down at the same time. This is the glove box top. Okay, this is it. So when you push them like that, do not go way too much because you can break them. You need to go enough so it can come out. Now this is, guys, okay, this is the elastic that keeps the glove box from going down too fast. So all you have to do, slide it this way, pull it out. Okay, just like that. After that, that glove box, guys, does not have any bolts. These bolts there, okay, those are just for the dash. So what do we need to do now, guys? Okay, just grab it and pull straight out. Perfect, just like that. You can see where the glove box attaches. So pretty simple, guys. That's how you remove the glove box. So that's how you guys remove the glove box installation. Everything else is in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.